Well, my mom and dad spoke English all the time. But when I went to my grandmas and grandpas, they used to speak Yiddish and English. And when they didn't want me to know anything, they spoke mostly Yiddish. My grandpas, this grandpa, Elia, wore a yarmulke all the time, but I never saw him go to shul. My other grandfather, he didn't go to shul at all. He wasn't from, but they spoke Yiddish all the time. And one of my grandpas always used to call me his teiche cup. Whenever he saw me, he used to hug me and kiss me, and he never shaved. So he used to hug me and against his beard. And to this day, I remember how much it hurt. But I let him do it because I loved him.